Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to ignore messages and unignore messages on Facebook Messenger. Really simple and easy to do. So all you have to do this is go ahead and open up your Facebook Messenger application. Open it up, and all you want to do is find the person that you want to ignore. Once you find the person that you want to ignore, on iPhones you just want to swipe from the left to the right, just like that, to bring these three options right here. On Android you just hold down and you want to click on ignore messages. For iPhones you just want to click on the three lines right here, and then just click on ignore messages, and then it's just going to let you know that you won't be notified when the person messages you directly, and the conversation will move to spam in message requests. So if you just click on ignore, it will then remove that conversation from your messenger. If you want to unignore them, you can just go ahead and start a new conversation, type the person's name in again, click on done, and then it will let you know here if you reply, they will be able to contact you again and they won't be on ignore anymore. So if you don't want to reply, don't say anything to them. But if you don't care, if you just say anything to the person, it will then unignore them and they'll be back in your conversations. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to ignore messages and unignore messages on the Messenger app on Facebook. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.